Steve Jobs. It is possible that the leadership style of Jobs is not the model to follow in many of his characteristics, but it is a character from which many fascinating things can be learned. Many see him as a tyrant and obsessive controller. Others define him as a genius. According to his biography, these characteristics made that Jobs was a leader without equal. Vision. To talk about Jobs is to talk about Apple, as well as to talk about Apple is to talk about Jobs. They are inseparable. Jobs was excessive driver. Creativity. Jobs never controlled the creativity of his employees, although he wanted to be in everything. He allowed all the ideas to be carried out, empowering people with development and innovation. Perseverance. Fought to the end for what he believed. Jobs' premise. Expect the best of your collaborators, expect the best of yourself, and always consider new ways for your company to think differently. Jobs had a wife and 4 children. Always keep his private life way away from the cameras and the show business. Today this family, whom he loved, says that they lived for Apple, that Apple was his life. With this we can conclude that he did not have very clear limit between his life and his work. Thank you.